We have witnessed a very volatile session, and we have observed that market whereas we have noticed higher levels in equity market and higher levels in the commodity prices, majorly in metals and in agriculture commodities. In equity market, we have seen that metal stocks increase sharply, and formal stocks also increase sharply due to the pandemic. Demand from household, industrial activities, from commercial activities, commodity prices are likely to increase. We have seen good financial number from the banks, consumer goods, companies and pharma sector. However, we have seen some fall in auto sector due to the lower demand and higher fuel prices. We have also observed that in the first quarter of the year 21, we have seen the rupees has appreciated due to the weakness in the dollar. But right now we have currently seen that dollar is increasing and USD our rupee has been depreciated. So as far as concern about the outlook for the next 6 months, we are very optimistic as we are running from the lockdown and the major economies are going to open. Also the good monsoon, which is play a very positive role. We have noticed and we can say that the normal monsoon may increase and may support the production of the agriculture commodity, and this will increase the income of the per capita in India. We are very optimistic on auto sector, banking sector and agro sector, as the demand is expected to increase and we can test the pre-COVID level. IMF also said that the economy will grow by 11%. So these are very optimistic, and our view on Indian economy as well as the global economy are very positive, and we can say that the coming 6 months are very positive for the global economy.
If you like this video, share it and subscribe to Business Standard. For more news, views and insights, log on to www.business-standard.com.